How to cook easy stir-fried vegetables. First, heat oil in a pot and then saute the onion. Next, add the mushrooms. Here I have two kinds of mushroom. So, this is the second one. We saute it very well. And then after that, we add the carrots. Next, add the snow peas. And then we add the napa cabbage. And then we mix it well. Here I have Mama Sita's Chopsuey mix dissolved in 1 cup of water. And then we add it into the pot, plus around 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then we mix it well. After a few minutes, our stir-fried veggies is cooked. Thank you for watching.